Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the BK Beauty Essentials Eye Brush Set. This 5-piece professional eye makeup brush set is designed for blending, smudging, and defining, promising to elevate your eye makeup game. This Essentials Eye Brush Set includes 5 brushes: the 201 Blended Crease, 202 Defined Crease, 203 Shader, 204 Smudge It, and 205 Contoured Shader. Each brush is crafted from 100% cruelty-free vegan fibers, making them suitable for sensitive skin while ensuring effective application and blending of your favorite makeup products. In my experience testing these brushes, I found that they are incredibly easy to use. The 201 Blended Crease and 202 Defined Crease brushes excel at creating seamless transitions between colors. I applied various eyeshadows, and both brushes effortlessly picked up product and blended it out to achieve a soft, diffused finish. The 203 Shader brush was a standout for packing on color with impact, allowing me to create vibrant eye looks. The 205 Contoured Shader was perfect for highlighting the brow bone, providing precise application without any fallout. Meanwhile, the 204 Smudge It brush did a fantastic job of creating that sultry, smoky eyeliner effect, thanks to its firm, dense bristles. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the BK Beauty brushes feel luxurious in hand, and their ultra-soft fibers make them gentle on the skin. They excel in blending and applying eyeshadow with precision. However, one potential drawback is that while the brushes are high quality, they come at a price that may not be suitable for all budgets. Additionally, the set lacks a larger blending brush, which some users might find limiting. When considering value for money, it's essential to weigh the quality and performance against the price. The BK Beauty brushes are certainly on the higher end, but for those who prioritize quality and effectiveness, they could be worth the investment. In comparison to other eye brush sets on the market, the BK Beauty set stands out for its cruelty-free materials and the specific design of each brush. While other brands may offer similar products at a lower price point, the BK Beauty brushes provide a luxurious experience that many users appreciate. Now, regarding build quality, these brushes feel sturdy and well-made, indicating that they are designed for long-term use. While I haven't had these brushes long enough to comment on their longevity, the initial impressions of their construction are promising. As for customer support, I didn't have any direct interactions, but BK Beauty has a solid reputation in the beauty community for excellent customer service. If you're looking for more affordable alternatives, brands like ELF and Morphe offer comparable eye brush sets that might meet your needs without breaking the bank. To wrap it all up, the BK Beauty Essentials Eye Brush Set boasts high-quality materials, impressive performance, and a thoughtful design that enhances the eye makeup application process. However, potential buyers should consider the price and whether they require all 5 brushes for their makeup routine. This set is best suited for makeup enthusiasts who appreciate luxury tools and are willing to invest in their craft. If this review helped you, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that other beauty enthusiasts can also find this video. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get the BK Beauty Essentials Eye Brush Set in the comments box. If you have any questions or have already tried these brushes, feel free to share your thoughts below. Until next time, keep enhancing your beauty with Beautyistic.